Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. In the previous video, we discussed about to the how we are going to generate by the PDF with Visualforce page. We have discussed and dynamically now we have to discuss how we are going to pass it by the content. Earlier, it is the we have to display it by the static thing, right? And how we are going to call the this PDF page to the Visualforce page to the our requirement. So let's come to the our actual Apex class. We are using to the same Apex class earlier what we have. So that is the product details controller, right? This is the we have used earlier. We have to display it by the product information. In the same class, I am taking the one more method. So here we have to, that is the generate PDF method. So here generate PDF. So here we have the pass it to the this record is what is we are generating the PDF, right? That is attached to the same this product. Okay, which product we have generated at quotation. We have to save the attach to the PDF to the that respective product. That's why here we have to take it by the record ID product ID. Okay, and we have to our data. So here we have to take it by the string something. Here we have to take it by the content data. What is the content? We have to store it, right? So that is the general we are calling the HTML data. So here save. This is the parameterized method. Now how we are going to passing this HTML data to the here. We have the earlier we have to display by the static, that is the fixed generate PDF. Now we have to change it to the dynamically this. This is already we have defined the one data type PDF content. First step is the how we are going to call it by the this page to the our Apex class. So let's take the standard syntax. So page reference. So we can take it by the anything. Usually we are taking by the page. So page, this is the standard thing. Visualforce page, this is the standard thing. This is the, we are taking the just naming only page. So which page we want to call? That is our Visualforce page name is the here generate PDF. Generate PDF is the our Visualforce page name. So here generate PDF, that is the our Visualforce page name. So save, and this page is the we are automatically calling by the controller, right? In this controller we have to get it by the information. So we have to pass it to the data to the this is PDF content. So how we are going to pass it to the PDF content here? So let's take the here page dot get parameters. We have to get it by the parameters, get parameters dot put off. So what is taken by the here our property or data type name PDF content. So PDF content comma our HTML data. What is the we have to pass it? This is the dynamically we are passing to the data to the here save. So here we are passing to the data to the our Visualforce page. Our Visualforce page we are passing to the data to the here. Okay. So after that we have to attaching to this one, and before that here we have to change it by the dynamically. No need for the generate this, right? So how we are going to change it by the dynamically? This is earlier we are giving static only, but now it is getting the data to the from the another Apex class. So standard syntax we have to take it by the string. So escape string quotes. Why? Because means in the pages we are using the quotations also, right? We are generating to the PDF for this. So here we are using some quotations, different formats, right? We are ignore those purpose. We have to take it by the escape string quotes. And here initially we need to get it by the our current page content. Current page content. How we are going to get it? So string here. Current page content. So we have the retrieved by the from the Apex pages dot current page dot get parameters dot get. So PDF content, we are passing to the PDF content, right? PDF content. If you confuse means here you have to take it by the any naming also. Usually we are giving this both are same, or if you confuse means we can take it to the here where is the our product quotation, not for this class, right? So controller. If you want to take it by the anything here, instead of this HTML content. This is the HTML content. We have to put it to the data. Let's deploy this and come to the our LWC page. That is we have done, right? So now here we have to give it by the HTML content we have the received from the current page. That value we have to store it by the current content. So here we have to give it by our current content to store it into the PDF. So what happened to the here? First we are calling the our Apex class to the that is our generate PDF Visualforce page name. In this Visualforce page we are passing to the one parameter. We have to put it to the here HTML content what we have the data, that is the here. Once it is called by the this class now, then automatically in this class it will be the executing now here. So here I think this is the format some little bit. So escape single quotes. I think earlier I am giving the string single quotes. So let's save this. So HTML current page is received by the HTML content that is stored by the current page content. That current page content we have to store it by the our data type, that is the PDF content we have. Now this is the we have the data, right? That data here it will be the populated. So now let's save this one. We can see after saving this, now it is saved by the properly. Then we can attach it to the this quotation to the our page, right? Our product. So how we are going to attach it to that is, so come to the controller. In this controller, we have to take it by the here attachment. So here we can take it by the any att equals to new attachment. So in this attachment dot name, we can give it by the anything here. So here default I am giving to the product. Okay, something we have to give it by the quotation, right? So quotation dot PDF we are giving to the quotation dot PDF. Naming I am giving to this, and parent which you this quotation want to save it to the which record, right? So that's why here we have to give it by the parent ID equals to product ID. Already we have defined here product ID, that is the we have, and we have the body what we are going to generate it by the body, right? So that is the attachment to dot body equals to page. This is the page we have taken. This page is generated by the PDF. So get content as a PDF. We have to, this is standard syntax. It is written to the PDF format. So like finally we have to insert to the attachment. This record we can pass it to the UI. Why? Because means we can need to display by that attachment. So here return att.id. So save, let's deploy this. Might be these two are might be confusing. We have to give it by the page name. This is right. We can give it by the our class name is the quotation PDF. Let's deploy this. I think we have saved this, right? But not appear. Why it is showing still error? So generate PDF, system page, method does not or incorrect to signature. We are giving the same, right? Okay, sorry, by mistake I'm giving the method symbol. So just a page only, right? We are calling. This is also if you no need to request, we can request. So let's deploy this now. Now it is successfully deployed. Usually we are giving the methods, right? That's why I'm giving to the method name. So now it is we have the written by the attachment ID. Now we are calling to this class into our LWC. In the quotation JS, we have to define a generate quotation. Sorry, generate PDF. That is the here handle PDF. So now come to the here. So handle PDF. This is our method name. Now we have the import by our class. So here import get generate PDF. So this is our class name and method name. Already we have defined it. That is the method name. Let's call to this method to the here. So here this is the parameterized method. We have the two parameters. One for the product ID. So already we have read product data. We have the product ID also. In UI we have to display right product price and name also we have displayed. This is the right. So same like we have to get it by the product ID also. So instead of the name we have to take it by the ID. And now we have to pass it to our data. In what is the data we have to display by in the right. So let's take to the here we have to we have the one div tag, that is the container div tag. Sorry, here we can give it by the any naming here. So we have to give it by the naming to the here PDF div. Just I'm given to the here. We can declare by the top and bottom to this is one. This is total. We have to read it by this one PDF div. So let's save this. Now let's call to this whole method to the here. So before this passing here we have to read it by our method. So let what is the PDF content equals to. So how we are going to get it or how we are going to read it the content of our template. So this dot template dot query sector. So this is full reading by all the div tag. So here dot what we are given by the name here in the PDF, right? PDF div. This is the total PDF div. So here we have to give it by the PDF div. It is read by the full div tag information. Okay, it is read by the full div tag information. Let's save this. Now here we have to pass it by our Apex class. HTML data is our Apex class. So now here we have to displayed by some HTML format. So that is standard syntax is the outer HTML. So PDF content dot outer HTML. This is the standard syntax. It is sending by the HTML format. Let's save this. After this, it is returning to the result, right? That is, we have to hold it. Result is the written by the product ID. So which products for attachment ID we are sending to the attachment, right? That attachment ID return to this class. That is we need to holding, right? So here then ATT ID attachment ID. So here let's save, and if you get by the any errors catch, we have take it by the error. So now here we have the ID. Now once we click on to this button, we need to open to the new window. So that's why here we have to take it by the window dot open. So here we can give it by the open URL page. So come to the here. So this is the previous one. Now here we have to generate it by the PDF. Once we click on to this, it is opened by the new window. See here, it is the new window and the generated PDF will be the up here. Okay, so this is the standard URL. So copy to this. This is the standard URL for the attachments. Don't copy to the full. Why? Because mean this is the base URL will be the changing, right? Each and every arg. So that's why here you have to copy to the after that. So this is the here in single quote. So let's say, so here ID is the changing, right? Attachment file ID is the dynamically changing. So we have received by the attachment ID. This is we need to give it. So ATT ID. So rest of the part is the same. Rest of the URL part is the same. What we have received the attachment ID, we have to give into the here. Let's save, deploy this one. So it is successfully deployed. Come to the here. We have the refresh by the page. So MacBook Air, quantity 2, discount to 2, generate quotation. Then come to the here, generate PDF. So still it's not open. I think so. We can see where is the issue. So attachment ID, we have the given by the PDF dev to PDF content. Here we have the read it to the content, and here. Okay, I think so. We are not deployed by this one. That's why it's not reading by the PDF dev, right? This div tag we are added, right? PDF not readed. Okay, let's refresh by the page. So let's take by the MacBook Air to generate PDF. Oops, still not reading. I think we can check it out. So where we have this is handle PDF. So in this generate product ID, we are passing to the, okay, we missed this keyword here, this dot deploy. So we have to read it by this one, right? This keyword we missed. So let's refresh. So let's take the to see here. Now generate PDF. Yeah, it works now. So it is generated by the PDF format. Okay, so it is appear there like data like this, right? Why it is displayed means we have just to displayed by the PDF text, right? So we have to use it by the standard Apex output. So let's take the Apex output to text. So in this we have to take it by the value. This is the our value, right? This is the problem. We have to display by the standard output to text format. Then it is displayed by the standard thing. Save. So now come to the our PDF page. Again, we can generate it by the new PDF. Let's see after saving this. Still it is saving. So output to text we have taken the here instead of the standard. That is so it's still saving. Yeah, it's saved. Now come to the here. We have to close it. Same. We have to generate it by the again. Still up here. I think is it's not refreshed by the page. We can refresh the page. Sorry. Yeah. So now come to the here, generate PDF. Oops, we have to display by the same thing. Let's see where is the issue that is. So here we have to the displayed by the data, everything is fine. Generate PDF, right? Attachment ID. Actually, we have received by the attachment ID, right? Yeah, attachment ID we are getting properly. So now why it is displayed by the div tags? So here, let's see the code PDF content outer HTML. We are giving the correct only. Then come to the class. Class is the reading to the our HTML. What we are sending to that is content as a PDF. That is the page. That page is reading to this one. And anything is missing. Attachment ID. So here we have to give it to the something else. Any so attachment we are giving to the data. So looks like is the everything is good, but not sure why it is not appearing. That is okay. Let's come to the here product details. We can see put products. So come to the here. We have generated by the quotations now. We have right. Let's see the one of the any one of the quotation how it is saved here. So here also saved the same format. That's why it is appear by the same. So I think it's a saving time. We have to give it to the anything is missed parent ID name. And here why it is not display attachment, everything is fine. Let's see the step by step. So here looks like the everything is good. Let's see the come to the our Visualforce page. We can display the data, right? How we are going to that is we can check it by the in the Visualforce page. So now here, yeah. So I think output text and one more thing also we have here escape that is to the all the that is content by default. So true, we can make it as a false. So save this. We can see it will displayed by the div tags and everything that will be the removed just to content only displayed. So once save this, we can see. So still saving this. So once it is saved, we can see how we have the display the it is reason to this one it is not displayed with the proper layer. We can check it out once it is saved. Still it is saving. Why this much time taking? Yeah, it's saved. Now back to the our page. So let's generate. Okay, awesome. Now it is displayed by the proper format. So I think we missed it to this one in the we are given the escape is false. So same like in here we have to give it to the escape the single quotes, right? Same like here also we have escaping to that is. So now come to the here we have to observe our quotation is the MacBook Air and total amount is the grand total is the 3,23,000, right? So this is the grand total. and these are the information, all will be the populated by the here. All the information will be the populated to the in the PDF format. We can align the more also. This is if you want to color and everything, we can align to the more also for the PDF. Okay, so I hope how we are implemented for this full scenario, starting video to till video, end-to-end scenario, we have to step by step implemented. I hope how it is we are implemented. And if you want to the full code, please visit to the our site. I will paste it by this code into the our site. So here www.abhignya.salesforce.com. In the website, I will post it by the full this code what we have implemented, right? Go to the here courses. Under the courses, you have the LWC component. Under the LWC course, you have to the yours code. I pasted by the previous things also. See here, previous scenarios also code we have. So if you want to check it by the here, previous code also will be the appear here. Previous videos scenarios code. This code also I will attach to the here. Please review the code here. Okay. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. Thank you.